Hi, my name is Betty Toussaint, and I'm an attorney and the CEO at Toussaint Law. Today's tip is all about what you need in a parenting agreement. When you and the other party are making a decision to have some type of formal parenting agreement, there are a couple of things that you want to be sure that is included in that parenting agreement. One, when it comes to the schedule, I want both of you all to pull out the school's calendar if you have school-age children. And when you have that calendar, I want you to just go through it and figure out which holidays you want and what's important to you when it comes to the holidays. You have some parents don't really care about Christmas, and then you have those that have these traditions that they stick to and they want Christmas. And if that's the case, then you have to figure out, well, if you want Christmas every year, then what are you going to give the other parent? And so figuring out those things will help you in the long run when it comes to meeting at the table and being able to make a proposal that both parties can live with. Maybe you want to forego Thanksgiving for Christmas, you can do that. But it's just important that you come expecting that you're going to have to do a lot of give and take. A lot of parenting agreements will have it where it alternates every other year. So for odd years, then this is what we're going to do. And even years, then this is what we're going to do. The other thing that is typical for a lot of parenting agreements is to split up the holidays. So you might have the first half of Thanksgiving, and then the other parent might have the second half of Thanksgiving. But whatever it is that you decide to do, you just need to be sure that it's something that you can live with. The other thing that's important for you to include in a parenting agreement is what happens with drop-offs and pickups. What happens if the party is late to coming up to a pickup? Who do they need to call? How much notice it needs to be given in order for the other parent to be prepared for any changes. So pick up and drop off times, pick up and drop off locations is another important piece. And then, as we stated earlier, before holidays. And so these are just a few things that you want to make sure are included in those parenting agreements. But whatever it is that you decide to do, just make sure that there's more detail instead of less information, because you want to anticipate as much as you can so that the process is smooth when it comes to co-parenting with the other person. Because remember, it's all about what's in the best interest of your child. And so if you take the time and you think about what's really important to you and your family, I'm sure that you will make the right decisions when it comes to getting ready for entering into a parenting agreement. Thank you. See you next time.